Have you ever pondered the question, how safe is my 3D printer? It's an important question to ask, as 3D printers, while incredibly innovative and useful, can also pose certain risks if not properly maintained and monitored. Today, we dive into the world of 3D printer safety, specifically focusing on the common causes of 3D printer fires. Firstly, one of the most common causes of 3D printer fires is thermal runaway. This happens when the printer's heating elements, such as the hot end and the heated bed, continue to heat up without any control. This unregulated heat can ignite flammable materials nearby, causing a fire. Next, faulty wiring can also lead to fires. 3D printers are complex machines with numerous electrical components. If the wiring is not done correctly or if it becomes damaged, it may cause a short circuit, which can lead to a fire. Another common cause of 3D printer fires is the use of flammable materials. 3D printers use a variety of materials for printing, some of which can be highly flammable. If these materials come into contact with a heat source, such as a malfunctioning printer component, it can ignite and cause a fire. Lastly, lack of supervision can result in a fire. 3D printing is not a set and forget process. It requires frequent monitoring to ensure everything is working as it should. Leaving a 3D printer unattended for extended periods of time increases the risk of a fire, particularly if a problem arises that requires immediate attention. So, what have we learned today? Firstly, thermal runaway is a major cause of 3D printer fires, as are faulty wiring and the use of flammable materials. And let's not forget the importance of supervision. With these points in mind, you can take steps to ensure your 3D printing experience is not only innovative and productive, but also safe. Remember, safety always comes first, so keep your 3D printers in good condition, use the right materials, and always keep an eye on your prints. This way you can continue to explore the amazing world of 3D printing without worrying about potential fire hazards. Stay safe and happy printing.